your lawn looks dead. Brown, crispy, patchy. The kind of lawn you look at and think you'll have to tear the hole up and start over. But here's the thing most people don't realize. A lot of the time that lawn isn't actually. It's starving. It's dormant. It's waiting. And with the right liquid feed, the kind you can mix up from stuff, there's no way to save it. What if I told you that most lawns people throw away are not actually dead? They're just sleeping. And with a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home, you could bring that brown, dry grass back to life in just a few weeks. But there's one important test you must do first. If you skip it, you'll waste your time, your money, and nothing will work. Today, I'll show you 5 natural liquid lawn feeds that really work. Explain which ones are worth using, which ones are overrated, and how to know if your lawn can still be saved. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a brown lawn the same way again. Before we talk about any lawn feed, we need to answer one very important question. Is your lawn really dead, or is it just dormant? Most people think brown grass means it's finished, but that's not always true. During hot weather or long dry periods, grass goes into survival mode. It turns brown to protect itself, but the roots stay alive underground. This is called dormancy. A dormant lawn can become green again with the right care. On the other hand, if the roots have died, no fertilizer, no homemade mix, and no miracle product can bring that grass back. In that case, the only solution is to reseed the damaged area. That's why checking your lawn first is more important than buying any product. So how do you know the difference? It's actually very simple. Grab a handful of the brown grass and pull gently. If the grass stays firmly attached to the ground, the roots are still alive. That's a great sign. Your lawn is dormant and it can recover. But if the grass comes out easily with almost no resistance, the roots are dead. That area needs new grass, not lawn feed. There's another clue you should look for. If your entire lawn turned brown evenly after a heat wave or drought, it's usually dormant. But if you only see random dead patches while the rest of the lawn is green, those spots may actually be dead. One more easy test is watering. Give your lawn a deep soak for 1 or 2 weeks. Dormant grass will slowly start turning green again. Dead grass won't change at all. Here's something that surprises a lot of homeowners. Grass is much stronger than it looks. Even when every blade above the ground is brown and dry, the most important part of the plant is hidden below. It's called the crown, where the blades meet the roots. As long as the crown and roots are alive, your lawn has a chance to recover. That's why many lawns that look completely ruined suddenly become green again after good watering and proper feeding. So before you spend money replacing your lawn, remember this simple rule. Feed the living, reseed the dead. This one step alone can save you hundreds of dollars and many hours of hard work. Now that you've confirmed your lawn is dormant, it's time to wake it up. The first natural lawn feed is also the strongest one on this list: household ammonia. It may sound surprising, but ammonia contains nitrogen, the #1 nutrient every lawn needs to grow thick, healthy, and green. In fact, nitrogen is the main ingredient in almost every lawn fertilizer you can buy. That's why ammonia works so quickly. It gives your grass the boost it needs to start growing again. But this is also the easiest feed to misuse. Too much ammonia can burn your lawn instead of helping it. That's why you must always dilute it properly. A safe mix is about 1 tablespoon of household ammonia in 1 gallon of water. Spray it evenly across the lawn, then water the lawn deeply so the nitrogen reaches the roots. Never spray ammonia during the hottest part of the day. Apply it early in the morning or late in the evening when temperatures are cooler. And never mix ammonia with bleach or any cleaning product that contains bleach. That creates dangerous fumes and can be very harmful. When used correctly, ammonia is the fastest way to give a dormant lawn the nitrogen it needs. Think of it as giving your grass a healthy breakfast after a long period without food. Within the next couple of weeks, you'll often notice greener color and stronger growth. But ammonia only feeds the grass itself. The next lawn feed works in a completely different way. Instead of feeding the grass, it feeds the living soil underneath it, and that's where many people make a huge mistake. The second natural lawn feed might sound strange, but it actually makes a lot of sense. It's beer. Yes, regular beer. Now, your grass isn't getting drunk. The real benefit comes from what's inside the beer. It contains natural sugars and yeast that feed the beneficial microbes living in your soil. These tiny microorganisms are incredibly important because they break down nutrients and make them available for your grass roots. Many homeowners focus only on feeding the grass, but they completely forget about the soil. Healthy grass starts with healthy soil. When your lawn goes through heat or drought, the population of these helpful microbes drops. That's one reason lawns struggle to recover. Pouring a small amount of beer onto your lawn helps wake those microbes back up. Even flat leftover beer works just as well, so you don't have to waste a fresh can. Think of beer as food for your soil instead of food for your grass. This brings us to one of the biggest lawn care secrets. Your lawn isn't just grass growing in dirt, it's a living system. Under every healthy lawn are billions of tiny organisms working every day to keep the soil healthy. If those microbes are healthy, your grass becomes healthier too. The third natural lawn feed is molasses, and this one is a hidden gem that many people overlook. Molasses is packed with natural sugars, which continue feeding those helpful soil microbes. But that's not the only reason it's useful. Molasses also contains iron, and iron is one of the nutrients responsible for giving grass that rich, dark green color everyone wants. Nitrogen helps your lawn grow faster, but iron makes it look greener without creating excessive growth. That's why many professional lawn products contain iron. Molasses gives you a natural way to get some of the same benefits while also improving your soil. To use it, simply mix a small amount of molasses with warm water until it dissolves. Spray it evenly across your lawn, then water it in well. This step is important because leaving sticky sugar on top of the grass can attract ants and other insects. So far, we've looked at two ingredients that improve your soil while ammonia gives your lawn a quick nitrogen boost. Together, they create a much stronger recovery than using only one product by itself. Now let's talk about one of the most popular lawn hacks on the internet, Epsom salt. You've probably heard people say it's a miracle cure that makes every lawn greener. But here's the honest truth. Epsom salt is not magic. It contains magnesium and sulfur, two nutrients that grass does need. Magnesium helps the plant produce chlorophyll, the green pigment inside every blade of grass. But here's the problem. Epsom salt only works if your soil is actually low in magnesium. If your lawn already has enough magnesium, adding more usually won't make any noticeable difference. That's why some people swear by Epsom salt while others say it doesn't work at all. They're both telling the truth. The difference is their soil. If your lawn has a magnesium deficiency, Epsom salt can improve color and overall health. But if your soil already contains enough magnesium, you're simply adding something your lawn doesn't need. Another thing many videos never mention is that Epsom salt doesn't contain the three major nutrients every lawn needs: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. That means it should never replace a complete lawn feeding program. It's only a supplement for specific situations. The best way to know if your lawn actually needs magnesium is with a simple soil test. Without testing, you're only guessing. And guessing often wastes both time and money. So remember this. Epsom salt isn't a miracle product, but it isn't useless either. It's simply the right tool for the right problem. By now, you've learned something that most lawn videos never explain. There is no single homemade ingredient that fixes every lawn. Each one has a different job. Ammonia provides fast nitrogen. Beer feeds beneficial microbes. Molasses improves soil life and adds iron. Epsom salt only helps when magnesium is missing. But what if there was one homemade lawn feed that combines nutrients, beneficial microbes, and long-term soil improvement all in one? That's exactly what we're covering next, and many lawn experts consider it the best natural lawn feed you can make at home. Now let's talk about what many lawn experts consider the best homemade liquid feed of all: compost tea. Despite the name, this isn't something you drink. Compost tea is made by soaking finished compost in water for 1 or 2 days. During that time, the water absorbs nutrients and beneficial microbes from the compost, creating a powerful natural lawn feed. What makes compost tea special is that it doesn't focus on just one thing. Instead, it feeds your lawn in several ways at once. It provides a wide range of nutrients, improves soil health, and adds millions of beneficial microorganisms that help your grass absorb nutrients more efficiently. Making it is simple. Place a few shovels of finished compost into a bucket or mesh bag, fill it with water, and let it soak for 24 to 48 hours. Then strain the liquid and spray it evenly over your lawn. If you want even better results, keep the water bubbling with a small aquarium air pump while it brews. The extra oxygen helps the beneficial microbes multiply. You can also add a little molasses during brewing to give those microbes extra food. Just remember to use the compost tea the same day you finish brewing it, because the living microbes start dying once the air stops. Now, let's put everything together. Each of these homemade lawn feeds has a different purpose. Ammonia provides a quick nitrogen boost, that helps green up the grass fast. Beer feeds the beneficial microbes living in your soil. Molasses improves soil health while adding iron for a deeper green color. Epsom salt is only useful if your lawn is low in magnesium. And compost tea gives your lawn complete, long-term nutrition while rebuilding healthy soil. The best results don't come from using just one ingredient. They come from combining fast nutrition with healthy soil. For example, a small amount of diluted ammonia gives your grass the nitrogen it needs, while beer or compost tea improves the soil underneath. Together, they create a stronger, healthier lawn that lasts longer. Here's one more simple trick that many expensive lawn products use. Add a few drops of non-antibacterial dish soap to your liquid lawn feed. Why does this help? Water naturally forms tiny droplets that can roll off dry soil instead of soaking in. Dish soap acts as a surfactant. It breaks the surface tension, allowing your homemade feed to spread evenly and soak deeper into the soil where the roots actually need it. Just make sure the soap is non-antibacterial. Antibacterial products can kill the beneficial microbes you're trying to grow. But even the best homemade lawn feed won't work without one important ingredient: water. If your lawn became dormant because of heat and drought, deep watering is the real key to bringing it back. These homemade feeds simply help that recovery happen faster. Water deeply once or twice a week instead of giving your lawn a light sprinkle every day. Deep watering encourages stronger roots and healthier grass. Also, don't overfeed your lawn. Apply these liquid feeds about once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. More isn't better. Too much nitrogen can stress or even burn your grass. Always apply lawn feeds early in the morning or late in the evening when temperatures are cooler. Spray evenly across the lawn, then water everything into the soil unless rain is expected soon. So, can dead grass really come back to life? The honest answer is no. If the roots are dead, nothing will bring that grass back. But here's the good news. Most lawns people believe are dead are actually dormant. They're simply thirsty, hungry, and waiting for the right conditions to grow again. That's why the tug test is so important. It tells you whether your lawn needs feeding or reseeding. Remember this simple rule: feed the living, reseed the dead. That one lesson can save you hundreds of dollars and many hours of hard work. Before you spend money replacing your lawn, give it a proper inspection, water it deeply, and try these natural lawn feeds. You might be surprised by how quickly your brown lawn turns green again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Yard Doctor for more honest lawn care tips that actually work. Let me know in the comments what your lawn looks like right now and which homemade lawn feed you're planning to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.